So guys, this is the best free video editing software for beginners. Why I'm saying that? Just have a look. First, I will select my video strip. In a video section, I will go remove BG and I will click on auto removal. That will remove the background of my video instantly. So this is before, and once it's removed, it's look like that. If I want to add the stroke, I will just click on the stroke section. We have 4 types of strokes. For example, I want to add that one. I can increase or decrease the size and also opacity. Plus there are few more options like the dotted one. This is the dotted stroke, and we can increase the size and spacing. Remember, we have removed the background without a chroma key. And let's test the chroma key also. In most of the time we have the green color, but in that footage we have a brown color. We will select the chroma key, use the color picker, select the color, increase the intensity, and that is done. Let's bring this strip to here, and you will see this above the strip. In most of the cases we have the blue and a green color for a chroma key. Let's test the another powerful option. So I have this YouTube short and I want to add the subtitle on it. For that, I will just go in a caption section, select the language, which is English right now, and click on generate. Within few minutes, it will generate the subtitle for me. And if there is any mistake, we can correct it over here. And most interestingly, we can change the design according to our requirement. We'll go in a text section, go to template. So I like this one because it's highlight the word. And you will see that all subtitle will be added. We can still edit little bit by going in a basic section. I will select round triangle and select this option and say preset. And now it has much interesting look. And above all, once I export that video, there will be a no watermark. And you can see it by yourself, there is no watermark. So to download this software, go to Google, write down CapCut for a PC and click on download for free. So on our website, they have displayed the effects and filters, which are very powerful features in CapCut, and along with few more AI tools. So this is just an intro about best free powerful video editing software. If you are interested in learning more, the link is in the description and I am giving it for free to first 100 students. If you are interested, enroll it now.